My brothers and sisters, good morning.
Good morning.
This happened to a little girl who was standing with his grandfather beside an old-fashioned open well. Yung sinang-unang balon, aywan ko kung mayroon pa yan dito. Ito ay makikita mo sa probinsya. No? Yung mayroong pansalok na ibaba mo, tapos hilain mo pataas para makaigib ng tubig. Nakita na ba nyo yan? Wala na yata dito yan sa Maynila. No? So, ibinaba na nila yung pansalok, tinaas nila, so nakaigib sila ng tubig na kanilang iinumin. At out of the blue, the little girl asked her grandfather. She said, "Grandfather, where does God live? Saan ba nakatira ang Diyos?" So ang ginawa ng the grandfather lifted up the little girl and held her over the open well para makadungaw doon sa balon. At sabi ng the grandfather said, "Look into the water inside the well and tell me, what do you see?" So, ganun ang ginawa ng bata, lumingon doon sa loob ng balon at sinabi niya, "Grandfather, I see myself." So the grandfather said, "That is where God lives. He lives in you." So the same thing is true with the kingdom of God. You do not have to look for the kingdom of God whether it is here or there. The kingdom of God is in us, in our hearts, which is full of love. So it is not simply in our hearts. It should be a heart full of love. Because where there is love, there is God. There is the kingdom of God. This happened just to show you a heart full of love. This happened one day in feudal times. Ano ibig sabihin ng feudal times? These are the times of castles and fortresses. Like you see in Intramuros, di ba? Intramuros is a fortress. That was, the time of Intramuros was in the feudal times. Hindi po ba? So, this happened in a huge fortress located on top of a hill overlooking Weinsberg, Germany. So, sa Germany pa ito nangyari. In feudal times. The huge fortress was captured by an enemy. So they must have so many soldiers that they were able to encircle the whole huge fortress. And of course, as usual, they would allow the women and children to leave. And those who should be left behind are the men, because they will either imprison the men or kill them para wala no more problem. So the enemy commander allowed all the women and children to leave the fortress. And the enemy commander also permitted all the women to bring with them one valuable possession. So magdadala sila kung ano man yung gusto nilang mamahalaga sa kanila, dalhin nila, pero isa lang. So later on, the enemy commander was confused, at the same time amazed to see the women leave the fortress carrying their husband on their back. So the women were ready to consider their husband their possession only to save them. That's the power of love. Hindi po ba? So, paano nagkaroon ng ganitong pangyayari? The first reading is about wisdom. And from that story about the huge fortress, we learn the secret to have wisdom. And what is the secret to have wisdom? Love. Di ba? Dahil sa pagmamahal ng mga babae sa kanilang husband, nakaisip sila ng paraan, naging wise sila. Di ba? Nateknikan pa nila yung enemy commander. Kaya nagulat na lang siya. Di ba? Kasi na-save nila ang kanilang husband. Because of the love that they have, they were able to think what to do. They became wise. And the secret to have more strength is what? Is love again. Kasi tingnan ninyo, yung mga babae, kaya yung kargahin yung kanilang husband? Ordinarily, hindi. Hindi po ba? Ang bibigat ng husband ninyo, di ba? Lalaki pang tiyan. Hindi lalo mabigat kargahin. But because of love, the women were able to carry their husband. So my brothers and sisters, let us abide in love. Magkaroon po tayo ng pagmamahal, pag-ibig. Because where there is love, there is wisdom, there is more strength. Where there is love, there is God, there is the kingdom of God.